Integrating Debank gas fee estimation into your application is a straightforward process that can help optimize transaction costs and improve user experience. To get started, you need to understand what Debank is and how it works. Debank is a comprehensive crypto wallet that provides a range of features including portfolio tracking, transaction management, and gas fee estimation. The first step in integrating Debank gas fee estimation is to create a Debank account and obtain an API key. This key will be used to authenticate your requests and access Debank's services. Once you have your API key, you can begin making API calls to retrieve gas fee estimates. To estimate gas fees, you will need to provide Debank with information about the transaction you want to make, including the sender and recipient addresses, the amount of cryptocurrency being transferred, and the transaction type. Debank will then use its algorithms to estimate the gas fee required for the transaction. One of the key concepts to understand when integrating Debank gas fee estimation is the different types of gas fee estimates that are available. Debank provides 3 types of estimates: safe low, standard, and fast. The safe low estimate is the most conservative estimate and is suitable for transactions that are not time sensitive. The standard estimate is the default estimate and is suitable for most transactions. The fast estimate is the most aggressive estimate and is suitable for transactions that require rapid confirmation. To use Debank's gas fee estimation in your application, you will need to make an API call to the Debank API endpoint, passing in the required parameters such as the transaction information and the type of estimate you want to retrieve. Debank will then return an estimate of the gas fee required for the transaction, which you can use to optimize your transaction costs. Best practices for integrating Debank gas fee estimation include handling errors and exceptions properly, caching estimates to reduce the number of API calls, and monitoring gas fee estimates to ensure they are accurate and up to date. By following these best practices, you can ensure that your application provides accurate and reliable gas fee estimates to your users. In conclusion, integrating Debank gas fee estimation into your application is a simple and effective way to optimize transaction costs and improve user experience. By understanding how Debank works, creating a Debank account, and making API calls to retrieve gas fee estimates, you can provide your users with accurate and reliable estimates of the gas fees required for their transactions.